Hi, I'm Jason. And this is my wonderful dog, Sophie. Together, we're a dude and a dog, hiking.
The Fort Worth Nature Preserve and Refuge is a wonderful spot for a day hike. The nearly 20 miles offered up here provide for a wide variety of hikes, including several that pass through a prairie dog town and the Bison Range. For today's hike, Sophie and I have our eyes set on the Cross Timbers Trail. This trail is a nearly 3.5 mile loop that crosses through the ancient forest and often parallels the West Fork of Trinity River. With that, let's hit the trails. Being close to the city of Fort Worth and the DFW Metroplex, the Fort Worth Nature Preserve and Refuge can be a relatively popular location for hiking. Despite its popularity, the trails rarely feel crowded. You are certain to encounter other hikers. However, Sophie and I took about a 30-minute mid-hike break and only encountered a single pair of other hikers during that time. Besides a great array of birds, the wildlife you are most likely to encounter on the Cross Timbers Trail are an abundance of turtles near the Trinity River and deer as you go deeper into the woods. Hazards are very minimal on the Cross Timbers Trail. You will find the paths great for the casual day hiker, featuring relatively flat and easy to walk surfaces. You are on the side of the river away from most signs of civilization. However, there is no real loose rock to be concerned of, and only the occasional errant root trying to trip you. Much of the trails are shaded by trees, providing you with a good deal of coverage from the sun. Yet, you will also need to be sure that you and your furry friends are protected from ticks, which can be prolific during certain times of the year. Plan your hike accordingly, as Fort Worth Nature Preserve and Refuge does have a strict 5 p.m. closing time, which will include the locking of a gate with you still inside.